Hi, welcome you all to this brief overview about IMTMA Six Sigma Green Belt program. I am happy to share that IMTMA scheduled online Six Sigma Green Belt program in the coming months. I am Subrata Mitra Majumdar, faculty for this program. This important and useful program will equip the participants with necessary knowledge of a Six Sigma Green Belt program, its philosophy, tools, and best practices that can significantly improve process effectiveness and efficiencies. Six Sigma started in mid-80s at Motorola and popularized by GE from mid-90s, focuses on reducing defects by reducing process variation to ensure consistency in achieving business and customer requirements at a much higher level of performance. Over the last 30 years, Six Sigma methodology have proven its utility to all the organizations who have learned and practiced with religious sincerity. It has given huge benefits to all the practicing organizations in terms of improved market penetration, customer delight, better business process performance, breakthrough results, reduced cost of doing business, and contributed to increasing revenues and profitability significantly. It creates an infrastructure and culture to drive improvements and sustain improvements over a long period of time. Other than contributing to financial benefits, it has also created leaders, problem solvers, and achievers who have made a positive difference and added values to their organization and all stakeholders. An excellent organization with highly capable processes and competent people do the right things better, faster, and more efficiently than its competition in cost, quality, delivery, and innovation. Six Sigma can be a competitive differentiator for all those organizations who realize its value, learn and practice with total employee involvement. Today, Six Sigma is considered as a management program. It is applicable to improving effectiveness and efficiency of all business processes in all types and sectors of industries, and irrespective of their size, location, domain, products, and services. Effective implementation of Six Sigma can make an organization locally as well as globally competitive. It is all the more imperative today when many organizations are struggling for profitability and Government of India is prioritizing Make in India for both local consumptions and exports. The entire program is divided into multiple sessions on different days, staggered over a few weeks. It is a 36 hours comprehensive program. The program will be of world-class standard with all required information on concept, tool, practices, along with many industry example case studies of each tool and practice. Participants will be given multiple assignments during every session as classroom exercises. This will ensure participants not only learn the theory, example, case studies during training, but also competent to practice the same themselves. This is the unique feature of this certification program. There will be a test after all the sessions are over. The program is designed to ensure participants can effectively learn along with their regular company work. Excellent industry case studies will be shared. Some are award winners in national competitions. Soft copy of training materials will be provided. What will be the key takeaways and the benefits for the participants? Understand required tools and techniques of Six Sigma Green Belt methodology, including various statistical tools. Apply their learning in workplace. Identify right opportunities and projects. Execute projects to improve process and operational performance. Understand the causes of process variations and improve the processes to reduce the variations. Improve process stability and capability for consistent desired results. Improve their problem-solving skills. Come out of departmental silos and work efficiently in a cross-functional collaboration. Reduce cost of goods sold and improve customer satisfaction. Use the training material and various examples as reference for implementation after training. What is Six Sigma? For a practitioner, those who are practicing Six Sigma through projects or applying the tools in their day-to-day work, for them, Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology to significantly improve effectiveness and efficiencies of key processes by reducing defects. For a business leader, Six Sigma is a systematic method to improve key business processes that can cause breakthrough results in market penetration, organizational speed, and cost of doing business. It is transformational. Six Sigma as a philosophy. The philosophy is defect cost money. One way to become more profitable is to eliminate defects. Fewer defects means less cost to producer and customer. Producers become more competitive. Defect is an outcome of high variation. Anytime there is a deviation from the target, there is some loss. Bigger the deviation, bigger is the loss. Six Sigma aims at reducing the variation and thereby reducing the losses. Through Six Sigma, we are trying to achieve process excellence. That is achieving precision as well as accuracy. We are trying to achieve our results consistently to our desired goal and also with minimum variation. So consistently, we will be achieving our goals regularly. That is our goal. And if we can achieve that, which is possible through Six Sigma, then we can say we have achieved a level of process excellence. Impact of high variation in the organization. If there are too high variation, how organizations can suffer? Like quite often, we will miss our output goals. Quite often, we will miss our delivery goals, both quantity and time. Quite often, our products will be returned by our customers and they will look for alternate sources. There will be no predictability of tomorrow. And most often, we will fail in most of our commitments. Most of the times, we will miss our profit margin targets. We will mostly be busy in chasing and firefighting. Our competitors who are focusing on learning and process improvements will be ahead of us in no time in quality, reliability, productivity, cost, speed, and market share, and we will be lagging behind. So the final goal is to reduce variation consistently so that customers are also happy and we also achieve our business gains. So when we try to compare the Sigma level is the indication of the process performance in terms of defect. So the DPMO means defects per million opportunity. So in a million opportunity, if we can achieve Six Sigma level, it is as good as the maximum defect of 3.4 defects per million opportunity. And that in a process, in a day-to-day operation, it is as good as zero defect because we don't produce millions in a shift or a day or a month. So it is as good as zero defect. So you can see from this slide that as we improve our Sigma level, the defects are coming down and our yields are improving. So that is what we are trying to achieve by reducing defect and improving our operational performance consistently. So globally, they have found that if we can improve one Sigma level of our key business processes performance, then it is possible that there can be 20% margin improvement, 12 to 18% capacity increase from the same resources, 12% labor cost reduction possible, and 10% to 30% capital reduction possible. So this is by improving one Sigma level of all the key processes. What are the benefits for the practitioner, the people who are practicing Six Sigma? For them, they will see reduced defects, reduced rework, reduced capacity losses, higher output, timely execution and customer service, improving trends of key performance indicator, key KPI, it will improve gradually. Reduce firefighting, more appreciation from leaders, from customers, and a much higher sense of achievement. For the business managers, leaders, what they will experience because of Six Sigma practice and continuous improvement of process performance. More predictability, certainty on process performance. Improvements are becoming sustainable. Cost of manufacturing, development, and sales coming down, margin improving. Faster speed of execution, cycle time, lead time. Higher productivity, stable, capable, reliable processes. People are spending more time for improvement. Higher voice of customer survey score and higher employee satisfaction survey scores. Achieving stretched goals now. and improving net promoter score, and more inquiry to hit ratio. That means inquiry to order. So that hit ratio also will increase. What the customer will see the change from us. Customer will experience that consistent timely delivery with reduced lead time, consistent good quality from us, improved product performance and service from us, higher reliability and predictability about the supplier, that is us. Cost is not increasing it was increasing earlier in the past. Proactive engagement from the supplier, like us. It is safe, easy, and wise to do business with the supplier, that is us. Applicability. Six Sigma is a universal methodology. It is applicable to improving effectiveness and efficiency of all business processes in all types and sectors of industries, and irrespective of their size, location, domain, products, and services. So manufacturing companies, whether continuous or discrete company, industry processes, infrastructure, IT, ITES, e-commerce, retail, pharma, foods and beverages, hospitality, healthcare, banking and financial services, all sectors, large, medium, small, of industries can get immense benefit by learning and practicing Six Sigma. So in terms of maturity model, there are multiple levels of Six Sigma. So first level of learning is called Green Belt learning and Green Belt certification. Then you can learn some more complex tools and you can upgrade yourself to the Black Belt level of learning and Black Belt certification. Then again, after a few years, then you can go for Master Black Belt training and you can become a Master Black Belt with few more high-end complex problem solving tools. And this way, gradually, you can be a global benchmark organization. So Six Sigma is a project-based approach. So for process improvement, we follow DMAC methodology: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. 5 phases. So define phase, we try to understand the customer requirement, the processes, the problems, what they are facing. So we try to understand that, we define that. In the measure phase, we try to understand our current level of performance. What are the defects? What are the gap between desire and actual? So current level of performance, we try to understand and measure that. Once we know where are the gap and what are the problems and which area it is more, then we try to analyze and we do a thorough root cause analysis of the processes. And then we understand the root causes. So deep analysis by using multiple tools and techniques. Once we know the root causes, then we try to control our input variable and the process variable, which are the root causes. And then implement the improvement actions. And if I get my improvement as per my desired project goal, then in the control phase, we try to maintain the same improvement so that we do not go back to the same previous level. And that is what we do in the control phase, sustain the improvement level. So these are the 5 phases of any Six Sigma DMAC project for improving project performance, process performance. In Six Sigma, this is called the defining equation. We are trying to find out the X's, which are the input variable, the process variable. They are independent variable. They are actually impacting my output variable, which are the product parameters, which I want to improve. So if I can understand which are those X's, which are impacting my Y, that is my output or the product parameters, then those X's I will control or improve further. Then automatically I can get my desired Y. So the journey is how to find out those X's. That is why Y is a function of X or the multiple X's is called the defining equation in Six Sigma. Why it is important now, more important now. We are going through an unprecedented period. It is a challenge for the corporate to maximize performance for remaining period in this financial year or the year ahead, to make up for the losses of the last few months or year as much as possible. Unprecedented problems require imaginative, creative, out-of-box solution. ramping up productivity, higher speed of execution, faster customer service, reduction of variations and waste to reduce cost in a much faster pace, higher sense of urgency by all people in all functions will help make up for the losses to a great extent, if not all. In a reduced demand situation, any investment on additional assets will attract burden on depreciation, interest, and impact profitability, cash flow, and ROI. So whether that is why we should make our existing people and process more competent and get the maximum from them with the available resources, from the available resources. So the available resources, what we have, must be effectively utilized, and people with much higher level of engagement, morale, equipped with global best practices can be the real asset for the organization. If we are expecting a much better organizational performance and results than we have ever done in the past, engaged people with innovative ideas will be the key now and for next 2-3 years. In a reduced market size, those organizations will survive and grow. Those who can provide much better customer experience than before and have minimal or zero debt. Skilled, competent, motivated people with knowledge of world-class tools and best practices like Six Sigma and right people for the right job must be the organizational priority now and months and years to come. Certification process. All participants will be given certificate of appreciation. All participants will be given certification of participation and passing the qualifying Six Sigma Green Belt after training and passing the end of training test. If a participant wants to be certified as IMTMA Six Sigma Green Belt professional, then he or she has to comply with the following criteria. Lead and complete one project successfully using Six Sigma Green Belt tools and DMAIC methodology within the given timeline. There is an option of engaging IMTMA consultant for the guidance, for handholding, support during project execution. After completing the project, IMTMA consultant will review the project, whether methodology and the project goal is correct, have been achieved or not, and the right tools, techniques, and the steps have been followed or not. There will be a test, additional test called data analysis test after the completion of the project. And those who will qualify after these two, then that person can be considered as a Six Sigma Green Belt professional. They also have to sustain the project benefit for 3 months after the closure. If an organization identify projects for Green Belt certifications for the participation and want IMTMA faculty support in implementation of the project, handholding during execution, for the agreed project duration, it can be 5 to 6 months. IMTMA will provide that. Separate proposal and process will be shared after receiving the request. Why you should choose IMTMA program for Six Sigma Green Belt learning and implementation? Quality, course contents, best in class Green Belt tools and practices. As I told you, Green Belt course content are at par or better than reputed global consulting organizations. Case studies, successful case studies will be shared. Some are award-winning case studies, high quality, high impact projects. Participants can learn a lot from these projects. These are not available in any book or website. It will have the roadmap for successful project management with all required process steps. We will share that during training. Assignments, multiple assignment classroom exercise during each session to ensure effective learning for the participants. Value for money with high ROI ensured. We will ensure that if you do projects, you will earn or get much more financial benefit than the cost of training, much more. Learning Minitab. Minitab is a software, very popular software for Six Sigma project execution. Last 20 years, people are using it. So I will share all the Minitab software required steps, how to solve different problems by analyzing different tools, different statistical tools. So that I will share through Minitab so people can learn that. Okay, mostly used, this software is mostly used by the Six Sigma practicing company across world. So detail sharing will happen during presentation. So we'll share detail by using Minitab software. Post-training support. Faculty can be engaged for post-training effective project execution support as a coach. Very much required for any new world-class initiative implementation. Company will be able to develop competent employees who can bring many more benefits in future. So our strength is not just delivering a good training, but helping people in successful execution. Faculty has done that for more than 20 years. I invite all of you, please remember, Six Sigma has multiple dimensions. It is a philosophy, it is a vision, a set of toolbox. It is a vehicle for customer focus. It is a management system and also an aggressive goal. So it has multiple dimensions. So with this background, I invite all of you to attend this highly valuable program, both for organizational and personal growth through increased contribution. So see you during the program. Thank you.